Welcome to Human TCG. Today we are opening Weeks Across Conflated Selector set number 18. Sorry with old stuff. We will get waiting new sets in. It's in transit from Japan. I was lucky that most of them got shipped before Golden Week. So let's open. Okay. What do we got? Some sleeves, tokens as usual, and lots of packs. Most of the cards don't value much, so we won't be checking price. We will just check what we get. Okay, let's start. So what we can get in this set? Just a reminder. 6 Elric light rares, I think. Elric. 22 Elric rares. Okay, or commons, doesn't matter. 10 super rares, 20 rares, and 32 uncommons, and secrets. Okay, let's start the first pack. Still in babies. Okay. Oh, cute one. And the foil coin card. As a reminder, you get one LC card, light Elric card per pack. It can be a common, can be a rare. Rares are rare. And rares, yeah. The foils, I don't know at this point, did they get every foil in every pack, or it's become late in the later sets? Okay. Tiger, Twins. Sadly, I don't have translations and hand, so I can easily translate them. Okay, oh, cute artist, and nice art. And yeah, so this is some like reprint. I don't know, so yeah. Nothing spicy yet. Yeah, it looks like the foil, they started that foils later, so oh, we get a foil. Well, sounds good. Okay, card goes to you. Ooh, is this? Oh, it's a secret. It's a secret, shiny. Okay, what's the secret number? Number 92. Let me check translations. I'm using TV, so it's not very easy to use. Muyu Free, a black Elric 5. Okay, so this is our. You get one secret per box most of the time. I heard sometimes you don't get them. Okay, cute. And that is good. Okay, so I'm waiting for my Wish Across box. Oh, our first foil. It's Elric Rare. You know, SP now. I don't know what. Just an angel. Cute. Angel with a shield. Number 2. I need to learn finish learning katakana so I can read most of these cards. Ooh. Looks like the theme of this is Japanese stuff. Ooh, what they have here? A super rare and a token. Cute token. Antennas. I really like this one. Cute antennas. Okay, so what we get? Okay, some like Joker something. Okay, what's your number? 37? Unprofessional videos is my second middle name. Okay, okay, this is not so easy as I thought. Please hang on. Cool Doll Display Princess. Yay, our first super rare. So we should get 4. Oops. Okay, rabbits. Okay, man, this art is so good. I think it's my favorite art so far in this set. Okay, and ooh, something unusual. Ah, yeah, it's like I don't know what it is. Oh, yeah, maybe I should investigate, but it's not fun. Investigate. Oh yeah, I need to buy all the rest because across sets I don't have. Okay, and ooh, this one's cute. It looks like some kind of sports car. Yeah, it's sports car. Electronics. Weird. Man, yeah, I bought this box because it was cheap. Because I spent so much money on the other stuff, so I cannot buy it all. But it will change in autumn when I will finish with my apartment. And looks like we got another super rare. Yay, super rare number 29. What's your name, girl? Saturina Phantom Aberration Princess. Okay. Oh, another Devils. Cute art, as usual. Oh, Space Girl in space, playing baseball, whatever. Oh, yeah. On the camera, okay. Egg Girl. Oh, red guitar. Oh, I like this one. Cheerleader. Monsters. Yeah, we'll put you in the foils. So yeah, as you can see, we only got 2 foils, and I think we're almost halfway there. Oh well. Man, that's weird. Okay, and another sport car. I like those sport cars. Okay, baseball Braves. I hope. Okay. Man, this month was so heavy in anime figures. I spent so much money on them. It's not even funny. Okay, so we get our L rare. You get 1 per box. So what we got? Also, I don't think we have. Okay. Okay, Golden Sun, Red Natural Star. Yeah. So. So we should get 2 more super rares, and it will be all for the box. Sorry. Nothing. Tiger. Kit Kat. And another baseball card. Okay, it's exciting. Okay, Devils, pitcher. Okay. Let's see. Halfway there. Yeah, I understand why this box was cheap. You don't usually get much value from it. Twins. Okay, and the foil. What foil are you? A rare foil, so number 47. Maybe let's just check what's your name. Okay. Tsukuba Natural Star. So 3 foils, yeah. Not so good. Okay, so I think we've seen all the comments. I haven't seen this one. Okay, and Goodrich. But nothing special yet. Okay, duplication city. Ooh, another spray. Number 34. I'm moving so much. Gold Order Motsuna. Okay, Super S. I was Alpha Super and baseball cards. Traps. Now that's the question. Is it a trap? Oops, sorry. Is it a trap or not? Usually they don't have male cards, but maybe it's a trap. Maybe it's a trap to think it's a male, maybe not. Okay, we got something back. Okay, seeing you. Oh, cute. Oni. Corel Girl. And okay, so I don't know this card, but it's pretty shiny. Token. Okay, I can tell this is Re. I think it's A, and don't remember that. I really need to learn katakana because one of the cards' name is in katakana. Oh well. Okay, Sportsu. Okay. Oh yeah, Wish Across Anniversary card. Ah yeah, S is Anniversary. Okay, I got that. Okay, 3 last packs. We should get 1 more super rare. Unless I like NTG. Oops, sorry. You always know how many cards you'll get of specific type. They don't differentiate much. Like you can get in NTG box 2 mystics or 7. Here you always know what you'll get. So okay. And okay, is it a rare? Oh, just a rare. Yeah, pretty rare. Okay, yeah, foils in foil department we are lacking, but we are not lacking in other departments, which is good. Okay, time schoolgirl. And it looks like we got another one of these golden coins. It's nice to touch, but otherwise it's kind of pointless. And the last pack. I hope we get. Okay, yeah, looks like a super rare is present. Check. And the last super rare, a Rocket Girl, number 32. Cosmos Natural Star Princess. Okay, it's not one baseball girl. You're holding baseball bat wrong. Okay. Okay, I'm a bit confused. Okay, maybe I mixed up. Someone I thought already read that name. 34, 99. Okay. Oh well, whatever. As usual, is the best on the super rares. Okay, this is our super rares. Our secret. It's pleasant to touch, as you can maybe see. It's it's 3D final, and our Elric. Yeah, the foil is beautiful, and our common foils. So I'm not counting gold coins, so we got 5. I think it's usual for all boxes. Yeah, that's why some of the foils are really pricey, because they're hard to get. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you soon.